What if I told you there's a tool that can actually use your computer for you with zero coding required? I'm not talking about chatbots. I'm not talking about code generators. I mean a tool that clicks, types, drags files, fills forms, and navigates apps. No APIs, no integrations, just like a real human would. You literally sit back and watch it work. So last week, I decided to put it to the test. I booked a flight, I ordered a zinger burger and a cold drink from Uber Eats, even though it scheduled meetings with new clients directly from my email. Tasks that normally take me hours, done in minutes. This is TuriX AI. And in this video, I'm showing you 3 workflows that will blow your mind. The third one, I still can't believe it worked. So let's get started. First things first, head to the link in the description and download TuriX for Mac or Windows operating system. It's completely open source and free for personal use. Installation takes just a few clicks and you're ready to go. The interface also supports Chinese, and you can choose the language you want to perform in. Let's start simple. I'm going to give TuriX a basic task. Download Discord on my MacBook, install it, and open it. Here's a simple explanation. TuriX will execute the task directly without asking for a breakdown if you choose quick mode. But the moment when I press enter with thinking mode, TuriX instantly generates a step-by-step execution plan, breaking down exactly what needs to happen. You can review these steps, edit them if needed, or add your own instructions. You can even replan these steps if these are not good. But here's the best part. The plan is accurate every single time. Once you approve it, just sit back and watch the optimized floating window design. TuriX opens a browser tab, navigates to Discord's official download page, waits for the download to complete, drags the icon into the applications folder, and installs it successfully. All of this happens without me touching my keyboard or mouse. But here's what matters. This isn't just convenience. This is the foundation. Because if TuriX can handle this basic task flawlessly, imagine what happens when we give it something complex. Remember that question? Here's your answer. Real scenario. My boss needs a tech news report. Normally, I'd spend 30+ minutes searching websites, copy-pasting, formatting a document, and emailing it properly. It's tedious, it's repetitive, and honestly, it's the kind of work that drains you. But watch this. I give TuriX one prompt. Search Claude AI for the top 10 tech news stories, save them to a document, and email it with the subject, Top 10 Tech News. Now, here's what most people miss about TuriX. It's not about automation, it's about the intelligence. TuriX generates the complete implementation plan. Here's a pro tip I learned. Be specific in your prompts. The more detail you give, the better the results. For complex workflows, break tasks into 2-3 steps. Always review before sending emails or posts. Now watch this. The browser navigates to Claude.ai, types the request, and Claude responds instantly with a comprehensive list. TuriX copies the content, opens TextEdit, pastes it in, saves the file with proper naming, composes the email, attaches the document, and sends it. Done. From research to inbox in under 4 minutes. But here's what blows my mind. TuriX didn't need any API access. No integrations, no plugins. It just used my computer the way I would use it, which raises an interesting question. If it can handle Mac apps this well, what about Mac-specific features? Can it handle macOS-specific features? This is where TuriX separates itself from everything else I've tried. Most automation tools fail with macOS features. Finder navigation, previews PDF tools, AirDrop. So I gave TuriX the ultimate test. Open Finder and go to my Downloads folder. Find all PDF files from this week. Use Preview to combine them into one document called weekly_reports.pdf. Then open Apple Notes, create a new note titled Report Summary, and list the file names. Finally, use AirDrop to send the combined PDF to my iPhone. TuriX generates the perfect plan. Every single step is exactly what I would do manually. Now watch. Finder opens, navigates to downloads, identifies and selects the PDFs, launches Preview, combines the files, saves them with correct naming, opens Apple Notes, creates the summary, and initiates AirDrop to my iPhone. And there it is. The combined file just arrived on my iPhone. TuriX just orchestrated Finder, Preview, Notes, and AirDrop in one seamless workflow. This isn't automation anymore. This is artificial intelligence that genuinely understands how to use a Mac. One important thing I want to mention. I've also added the GitHub project page since it's open source. Giving it a star is a great way to support the team. So here's what just happened. We started with a simple app installation, then we escalated to multi-app research workflows. And finally, we watched TuriX navigate Mac-native features that most automation tools can't even touch. You see the pattern? TuriX doesn't just automate tasks, it understands context. It adapts to your workflow. What's even better? It allows you to delete devices at any time, so you can keep things clean and organized. Now here's my honest review and advice for you. It may fail sometimes, but you do need to review the plan before running it. If you notice that TuriX gets distracted or hasn't fully understood the task flow, just tweak the steps slightly. Once the workflow is clear, it executes smoothly from start to finish. So what you are waiting for, click the links in the description to download it for free from its official website. If you run into any issues, follow the tips and advice I shared in this video. They'll help you get the best results and join the TuriX Discord community, and follow TuriX on social media to stay updated with new features and use cases. And let me know in the comments, which case study would help you the most? If TuriX automating your computer impressed you, make sure you watch my next video on Verdant AI. It's an AI coding agent for developers that doesn't just code for you, it works on multiple tasks in parallel, meaning you don't have to wait for one task to finish before giving the next instruction. Thanks for watching. See you later.